Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Built to Run Garage. In today's video, we're going to be putting an Apple CarPlay radio into my truck. Now last video you saw I bought a 1999 Chevy Silverado, and I mentioned I'm going to be putting a radio into here. This radio is going to be about the hardest thing to put into this truck. Everything works on it. It's got 126,000 miles on it, and we got a really good deal on it. But I bought the necessary things for this truck, and I actually gave myself a little bit more of a budget than I normally would. This Apple CarPlay installation is going to be about, it was about $500, $482, and it should work pretty good. So I bought the necessary things for the perfect, clean-looking installation. First off is a bezel right here. This is a new bezel that will fit a bigger screen than what it typically would fit. It is matte black, and my truck is kind of a grayish blue color, but I don't really care. Whatever works, and whatever looks clean, works clean. Anyway, for the star of the show, I bought a Alpine ILX W650. It's a good, low-weight looking radio, and it looks like it will work wonders whenever I put this in. Here are the ports on the back, relatively simple. It comes with a wiring harness, and I bought a wiring harness that will just allow me to plug it into the port in the truck. Now from the place that I bought it from though, they gave me a free backup camera for the license plate, and this is a pretty clean look. I don't know if I'll be able to put it on today because it is raining, but it does come with this, and I have already, this is for the radio, I've already plugged in the backup camera port. I don't know what else I would need to make this work. I think I would need a rear port, but I do have a backup camera. So that's amazing. I don't think I'll be putting it in today. We'll have to see how I feel. Okay. Up next, the radio came with a USB to USB. This is temporary. I will be using this cord no matter what, but I found on Amazon a cigarette lighter sized USB thing that will plug into one of my 3 cigarette lighter ports. And it's actually, it has a USB back on it too. So it's basically the same thing as this. It's just, it's got a round circumference. I'll show you. I'll probably put a picture on it here. I won't install that on a video, maybe on a YouTube short if I feel like it. But this right here is temporary. This is just to make sure Apple CarPlay works. And I'll use this in the meantime. I bought an antenna adapter because you need one. I don't know, I just saw it on YouTube. And everything else in here besides this microphone are just brackets. My truck has really weird brackets, so I found ones that'll fit. Hopefully seeing these will tell me how it'll fit in and how I can get the old one out, because this is just very interesting. It looks like this is for the this side of the radio. I have no clue how this will go together or how this will work, because typically it's just 3 screws and then the radio's out. Mine is like all these wedges and stuff. I don't know. I really need that color thing. I'll look for it later. But anyway, basically what you do is you take shrink wrap. This might be small enough shrink wrap, and I put it around, and then I strip the wire, and then I put it back over it, and then I use a lighter and then shrink it. I'll show the final result, but that's basically all I'm going to do. I will see you guys whenever I get that done. Well, I'm an idiot. The wiring diagram's on here. Alright everyone, I should have gotten the whole wiring harness working now. That's what it looks like. And first step to get this old dash off is to turn on the car and put it in first gear and drop the steering wheel. Then you just get on the very side of it, just like that. Just pull these tabs out here. Alright, that should be all of them. Okay, awesome. Just put that off to the side. And there's the dash. Put it back into park. I'll put my steering wheel back for now. Turn off the wheel. There, make sure your radio's off by opening your door handle and then shutting it again. So here's what the truck looks like without the dash. So first things first is how the hell do I get this radio off? Hold these down on them. And it should slide out, right? There we go. Woof. That's tough. Okay. There's no room back here. Wow. Okay. There's the old unit. I'll just set that down there for now, and that's what this is looking like. Great, okay. So, now we can grab our hold head unit and plug some stuff in and make sure everything works. Where is my thing? Here it is. Okay. I'm gonna plug this into the back of my radio and plug this into my okay, that's wired up, and if I turn on the car, I get power. It's a pretty long boot up. And we have static. Okay, cool. Wonderful. Okay. Awesome. It works just like anything else. That's awesome. Okay. We're gonna grab my extension now for this. Grab my knife. This is just gonna make it very easy to do the rest of this. Why did I throw that in there? I forgot what way this goes. Okay. That goes in, and then this goes in. Okay, awesome. So now that's in. I don't know what this is for. I think that's just for the cassette. But, everything seems to be working now. Okay, CarPlay is working perfectly. The screen does look a little weird, but you know what? It's CarPlay and it works. So, now all I think I need to do is get this shit crammed back in there, run some wires, and get a microphone up here in the top left corner, and also I'll see if I'm deciding right now if I'm going to run a backup camera, because they did give me a free license plate backup camera, but I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so first of all is I'm gonna unplug the USB functionality, and I'm going to get the, what do you call it? Mounts on. So looking at the old radio, the left side mount, I wonder if I could reuse that. No, that's built into the radio. Okay, well, the left side mount, okay, this is the left side mount. So I'll need to go onto the left side of my radio here and attach the mount just like that. I think that's perfect, just about right.
2 hours later.
Okay, whew. Radio's in. Let's plug my phone in here, and I'll test it out for good. Okay, I'm sorry for the bad angle, but I'm ready to put the new thing on. That down in third gear is probably fine. Lower this steering wheel a bit. There you go, everyone. Peel off this protective sticker here. There you go. Apple CarPlay inside my vintage truck. And still get my chime. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. I sure as hell did in making it. Maybe sometime soon I'll put an I'll put a backup camera in here. But this is a huge upgrade, and it looks really good with my truck. So, yeah, I'm thankful to everyone that has watched this. And I wish I could show the Apple CarPlay functionality for y'all, but unfortunately I cannot, as I record on my phone. But I'm going to get the rest of this crap out of my car. And, yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And, see you in the next one. Peace.